What's up, y'all? I'm back. Anyway, I just wanted to take a quick rip around, show y'all what I'm working with. I got this new sick mount so y'all can see where I'm going. We're gonna be heading way out there to those mountains, probably go around them. Anyway, let me get this mounted up and we can go. All right, gotta get her started. The old trusty steed, the 125. First kick every time, baby. I actually got this thing for like 800 bucks. I think it's like the best investment I've ever made. Well, anyway, guys, this is my backyard. That's my dad's truck. Pretty, huh? The sound is not going to be very good quality, but I'm going to end up getting a microphone later on. So we'll deal with that later. Let me fix this dang chin strap real quick. There you go. Anyway, y'all, look at this. Pretty tight. I tell you, I don't even have the right oil in this thing, but I can just about take anything you put in them, man. Probably stop talking until we get there. Got me in the eye. Anyway, I'm probably gonna slow down. I just got hit in the eye with a a bug. There's a lot out right now. Anyway, yeah, y'all. RFT 125, it was $800 on Facebook Marketplace. Little sucker rips. It goes like 35 or something, and then I put a bigger sprocket on it. So now it goes a little bit faster, but it's got less torque. I just changed the camera settings and that looks way cooler. Anyway, y'all, this is my backyard. To all the people that say they would never move to Arizona, thank you for not crowding my backyard. All right. This is actually as far as I'm gonna go because I just got that big old hill back there. Just that big old hill left. It's honestly kind of hard to get up there. I did it in the last video, but I'm gonna head over to another spot. I call it the sand pit. Most of our neighbor folk already know about it. I'm pretty sure it got filled up yesterday for 4th of July. Well, let's go check it out. That was not intentional. The little 125 got a lot of torque. She got a lot of torque. And keep in mind, y'all, I ain't skinny. I'm kind of chubby. I got some muscle on me too, which is pretty dense. You get this for like a 16-year-old, it'd be sick. It'd be friggin' sick, dude. Yeah. Gotta be careful with the foliage with all these dang plants around here because my knuckle hit one time and it sliced me open. Some of it's got needles. Some pretty gnarly needles, man. These ain't called cactus, by the way. They're saguaros. They're saguaros. And if you go, what, 5 minutes down the road that way, you got Saguaro National Park. It's pretty sick, y'all. Pretty dang sick. Best part, I don't even need registration on my bike because this is my backyard. Oh, that was our turn. Anyway. Here's our turn. There's nothing wrong with the bike, by the way. I just like playing with the throttle. I'm weird like that. It's real soft. Try not to fall. Let's see what happens. Got here, Woody. Oh, we got giant jackrabbits out here too. And a crap ton of snakes. You gotta keep that thing on you. Yeah. Alright y'all, we're actually gonna go that way, but I'm gonna head up there for a little bit, let my phone charge. Plus it'll give us a good view of everything around here. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Banana bread at work, dude? Hell yeah. Well, this is our destination for now. It's actually storming down in Tucson right now. Kept hearing lightning earlier. It's pretty wild. Get this off of here. There you go. Well, there you are, y'all. There you are. I think it's so awesome I can just come out here every day. Rain or shine, every day. Ain't nobody gonna stop me. Ain't nobody gonna stop anybody. Arizona is a free country. Anyway, phone's not charging, so if we make it there, cool. If not, I'll reshoot the video. Well, my phone died. Well, it didn't die. The camera just shut off for no reason. So let's see if we make it this time. Cheese and rice, dude. Nothing wants to go my way right now. banana bread at work, dude. Hell yeah. Well, that part's flooded and I don't want to smell like poop. So I'm gonna go through here. Oh man. Kinda sketchy. Woo! That was cool. Oh, a bunch of little baby quail. Come here, quail. I'm hungry. Gotta be careful here. This is some really soft sand. Every time I drive on it, it just eats the bike. Sorry y'all, my phone keeps dying. But anyway, that's where we came from. And that's where we're going, but that little part right there is flooded. So I'm gonna go around. Anyway. Back to business again, boys. Oh man, it's gonna be worse this time. I thought it was gonna be better because it hasn't rained in a few days. But it's worse. I almost don't even want to go through there, man. This stuff stinks. And there's tadpoles swimming in there. Oh man. Y'all think I can make it? I don't know. Oh, that was easy. Woo! This is what we call the sandpit, y'all. This is what we call the sandpit. See if I can make it up there. Well, it has been raining, so I guess it'll be easier. Yeah, it's all kind of wet. But yeah, y'all. Go down here. Whee! Right here. Last time I came here, somebody, yep, it's still there. Somebody like shot a bunch of damn arrows from a compact bow right there. And they were all sticking out, so now everybody that comes through here gets a flat tire. Man, people, am I right? Whee! Going back over here. Right here. Oh man. Best part is there's no admission, y'all. There's some pretty sick spots to hit some little jumps, you know, but this old girl ain't fast enough. It's a lawnmower on two wheels. If y'all ever see me riding a dirt bike, you're gonna think I'm gonna fall like 50 times before I actually fall. I call it riding goofy. Woo! See what I mean? Woo! Man, last time I came up here, I got stuck right there and I forgot I didn't have a front brake. The bike rolled back and I fell flat on my back all the way down the hill. It was freaking hilarious. I wish somebody would have seen it. Anyway, there we are, man. No admission, free riding as long as you can get out here. Belongs to Bureau of Land Management, which is free use to the, you know, anybody kind of people. As long as you don't leave trash, please, or freaking arrows from your compound bow. It's kind of rude. Yep, that's all for the video for today, y'all. I'm gonna head home. My phone keeps overheating. I'll try to get more content out, but it's gonna take a little bit, just a little bit. Anyway, peace out, y'all.